Right, we're going to have some take two on the getting rid of these drain hole impressions on the sills. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to just actually give it two relief cuts. When I noticed on the other one, when I cut up here, it was dollied flat and managed to fill up the space quite nicely. So I'm going to actually do the same almost all the way in and see if I can persuade the metal to come out, just maybe taking another little bit of relief off a bit of time till it's flat. Then I'm going to weld it from the back. The reason I'm welding it from the back is that it leaves me less finishing to do here, and I don't need to grind anything flat on the back, I can just actually leave it. So, can't always get it right first time, a little bit of trial and error. This is the first time I've ever actually taken out the actual drain parts. Normally I would just leave them, but the early car didn't have them, so that's the way I would rather keep it. So here we go. Okay, to change the disc, I don't have depth of cut that I need from that disc. There's the depth in the corners I need to get into. The hitting off the head rather than the disc. You see, it's trying to find the right Allen key for the job. And it looks as though I will need to go fetch it from out here. And as usual, small tool that I need to actually lock this on the inside seems to be missing. But so far, not actually done that bad with tools since I pulled them out of storage. Found most of the things that I actually genuinely need. So overall, we're not doing too bad. This, however, is starting to cause me a little bit of an issue. Because the spanner I need for it is actually very, very thin. And I still can't find it. Oh, this is getting annoying. Not the way I would normally recommend to do it, but serves the purpose just the same. Now throughout the videos you'll actually see me using quite a lot of these. They're really, really nice little tools. Air cut-off tools. Come in two shapes, one horizontal, the other one vertical, and they're absolutely brilliant for getting into the nooks and crannies, where a larger one you can slice and dice very, very quickly, but for most of the work that you'll be doing on your imp, it's not really a race. So okay, so rather than bore you with just grinder noise and very little else to say, I'll put it in time lapse mode for the rest of the shoot. Right, after that time lapse, much quicker, you'll be able to see that even the duration. Finish, much better. I know it looks a bit tatty, but all the metal does once you finish beating it for that length of time. But certainly, a little bit of skim of filler, that'll be just dandy. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go on with the final stage that I'm going to complete for today, which is to have all of these four in cleaned, acid etched, and at least epoxy coated, if not with the top coat as well, on the sills. So here we go.